Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we're back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are using the internet. So this app is on Google Play Store. Head over to Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. So from Google Play Store, you search for Zap VPN. So among the presented, you pick this one. So before you install this app, make sure to read its terms and conditions and make sure you don't violate them. And also, before using any VPN app in your country, make sure to read your local laws and make sure to follow them so that you don't violate them. So this is the app Zap VPN. So you install it on your device, and after installing it, this app will help you to secure connection and extra protection when you are online, and it helps you to enhance on your online connection. So to set it up, you must open it. When you open it, it will take you to its home screen. At this point, make sure that you have a running internet for this app to update to the latest version. So after the update process, you're required to continue with the settings. First of all, you're required to pick a server by tapping where you see best performance. So when you tap on best performance, you'll be requested to pick a server of your choice in your desired location. So for today's guide, we're gonna pick best performance. This option will help us to pick the best performing server in our location. So after picking a server just like that, you are required to pick a network. So you can tap on the network list right here, and then you can pick your country name. For example, in this video we have chosen Nigeria. So you tap right here, then you pick your country name, and after picking your country name just like that, you are required to inject a fast and a secure connection and to add extra protection by tapping on the start button. And when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect, and after a few seconds you will see that the app is connected, Zap VPN. And that's how we set up this app Zap VPN to enhance on our online connection, add extra protection, and also secure our online activities when we are using the internet.